Imagine fitting everything you need for a 2-week vacation into a carry-on, or discovering the secret to never losing your charger again. What if you could streamline your packing so well that you breeze through the airport with zero stress, ready for adventure? These 10 packing hacks aren't just tricks, they're game changers that will transform the way you travel forever. But before starting, don't forget to smash this subscribe button so you never miss out on video like this. Let's start from number 10. Limit footwear to essential pairs. Have you ever packed 5 pairs of shoes only to end up wearing 2? Shoes are some of the bulkiest items in your luggage, and overpacking them is a common mistake. Instead of cramming in every pair you own, stick to the essentials. A comfortable pair of walking shoes, dressy shoes for special occasions, and casual sandals or flip-flops are usually all you need. To save space, wear your bulkiest pair during transit. And here's a quick hack. Pack your shoes in shower caps or reusable bags to keep your clothes clean. This not only frees up space, but also keeps everything organized and tidy. For those who enjoy versatile footwear, consider packing multi-purpose shoes that can transition from day to night. This will cut down on weight while still offering style and functionality. 9. Use sunglass cases for cable management. Aren't tangled cables the most frustrating thing to deal with on a trip? With so many gadgets to charge, keeping all your cords organized can feel impossible. That's where an old sunglass case comes to the rescue. Place your charging cables, earphones, and portable chargers inside the case to keep them safe and tangle-free. It's a simple yet effective way to avoid rummaging through your bag when you're on the go. Plus, it gives your unused sunglass case a new purpose, making it a win-win solution. For added organization, use different cases for separate devices, like one for phone accessories and another for camera gear. Label each case for quick access during your travels. 8. Protect delicate items with tissue paper or dry cleaner bags. Have you ever unpacked to find your favorite outfit wrinkled beyond recognition? Protecting delicate fabrics is essential, especially when packing for events or formal occasions. By placing tissue paper between the folds of your clothes or wrapping them in dry cleaner bags, you can significantly reduce wrinkles. This trick works wonders for dresses, suits, and other delicate garments. To go the extra mile, pack a small, travel-sized wrinkle release spray. It's a lifesaver for any last-minute touch-ups. If you're traveling for a wedding or gala, consider packing a garment bag for your formal wear. This added layer of protection keeps your clothes pristine and ready to wear. 7. Pack a portable laundry solution. What if you didn't have to pack so many clothes for a long trip? A portable laundry solution is a game changer, especially for travelers who want to pack light. Products like the Scrubber Wash Bag let you wash your clothes anywhere, from a remote campsite to a budget hotel room. Simply add water, detergent, and your clothes, then scrub away. Pair this with quick-dry fabrics, and you'll never run out of fresh outfits, even on extended trips. This hack is ideal for backpackers, adventurers, or anyone who prefers minimalist packing. Don't forget to pack a small clothesline or inflatable hangers for drying. This ensures your clothes are ready for the next day without taking up extra room in your bag. 6. Use a pillowcase to carry extra clothes. Ever wish you could sneak a little more into your carry-on? A pillowcase stuffed with soft clothing is a genius hack for extra storage. Many airlines don't count pillows as additional luggage, so you can carry this as a travel accessory while freeing up space in your main bag. Fill the pillowcase with lightweight items like t-shirts, pajamas, or scarves, and you've got yourself a 2-in-1 solution. Extra packing space and a cozy pillow for your journey. For added convenience, choose a zippered pillowcase to keep everything secure during transit. Bonus: opt for a fun design to make it a stylish travel companion. 5. Wear bulky items during transit. How do you deal with bulky coats and boots when traveling? Instead of trying to fit them into your suitcase, wear them during your trip. This works especially well for cold weather destinations where heavy clothing is unavoidable. Layer up with your coat, boots, and sweaters to save space in your bag. If it gets too warm, you can always take off a layer and stash it in the overhead bin. This simple trick ensures you have room for more essentials without sacrificing comfort. For extra convenience, use your coat pockets to store small items like gloves, hats, or travel documents. This maximizes your carry-on capacity while keeping everything within easy reach. 4. Opt for solid toiletries to avoid spills. Have you ever opened your luggage to find shampoo all over your clothes? Solid toiletries are a fantastic way to avoid messy spills. Switch to solid versions of shampoo, conditioner, and soap. They're TSA-friendly, lightweight, and last longer than liquids. If you can't part with your favorite liquid products, invest in reusable silicone travel bottles. These are leak-proof, easy to refill, and great for reducing waste. With this hack, you can keep your luggage clean and organized while staying eco-friendly. Additionally, consider solid options for items like toothpaste, deodorant, and perfume. These are compact and can free up valuable space in your toiletry bag. 3. Utilize packing cubes for organization. Does your suitcase always turn into a chaotic mess halfway through your trip? Packing cubes are the ultimate solution. They allow you to separate your clothes into categories, making it easy to find what you need without unpacking your entire bag. Assign each category, like tops, bottoms, or underwear, to its own cube. Not only will this keep everything organized, but it will also save space by compressing your clothes. For family trips, use different colored cubes for each person to streamline packing and unpacking. For even better efficiency, label your cubes or use transparent ones to identify contents at a glance. This makes your travel routine smoother and more enjoyable. 2. Roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Is folding clothes the best way to pack? Not always. Rolling clothes is a far better technique for saving space and minimizing wrinkles. Simply lay your clothes flat, fold them in half, and roll them tightly. Rolled clothes fit neatly into corners and crevices, leaving room for souvenirs or other essentials. Plus, this method makes it much easier to see everything in your bag at a glance. Give it a try, and you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. For added protection, secure rolled items with elastic bands or packing straps. This keeps everything compact and prevents items from unraveling during transit. 1. Create a comprehensive packing checklist. How do you ensure you never forget anything important? A packing checklist is your best friend when it comes to stress-free travel. Start by considering your destination, the weather, and planned activities. Then create categories like clothing, toiletries, electronics, and documents. Write down every item you need and check it off as you pack. A well-thought-out checklist not only ensures you don't forget anything, but also helps you avoid overpacking. Save a digital copy on your phone so you can tweak it for future trips. This simple habit will transform the way you prepare for every journey. For frequent travelers, maintain a master checklist that you can customize for each trip. This saves time and reduces packing stress, ensuring you're always prepared. Additional tips for travelers: save on luggage fees. Wear layers and carry a small foldable bag to store items after check-in. This trick can help you dodge those hefty extra baggage fees. Pack snacks wisely. Skip overpriced airport food by bringing your own snacks. Choose compact, non-perishable options like protein bars, trail mix, or dried fruits. Research destination rules. Some countries have strict policies on what you can bring in. Knowing these in advance can save you from unnecessary hassle at customs. So, what do you think? Which of these hacks are you most excited to try on your next adventure? From creating a packing checklist to sneaking extra clothes into a pillowcase, these tips are designed to make your travel experience smoother and stress-free. Let us know your favorite hack in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more travel tips and tricks.